things that really pisses me off at school, part 1. When you're writing an exam, and then they say, question 1.1, please define this. Okay, I skip that question because I don't know it. Then the next question say, with your answer from 1.1, please use that answer to calculate 1.2. Okay, I skip that. And then 1.3, with the question, with the answer you got in 1.2, please verify this answer is correct. Like, I don't know. When you carry bread to school, bro, everybody is on your bread. Everybody is on your bread. And if you don't give them, bro, they don't want to be your friend. Like, it's my bread. Why must we fight over my bread, bro? You have that type of friends that won't laugh for your joke, bro. Like, I've been trying to make this joke. You guys are going to laugh for it. Even if I'm going to have to do something to make you laugh, you're going to laugh for my joke. I'm going to say it 7 times until you laugh.